should Hugo Broos have included Lebone Seema in his recent Bafana Bafana squad? Lebone Seema, since his transition from TS Galaxy to Orlando Pirates, he has definitely been the talk of the town. He's definitely a serious contender for the defender of the season. More so with the departure of his former teammate Mbekezeli Mbokazi, who was his partner in the Orlando Pirates defense. Then this leaves Lebone Seema as the only sole strong contender for the defender of the season. Of course, you still have your usual suspects such as Granit Xhaka there, but Lebone Seema has just been exceptional this season. And to an extent that most of us would believe that he should have been included in that Bafana Bafana squad. But Hugo Broos has not called him. And we know Hugo Broos, he's got his type of players that he prefers and all of that. So I want us to have a conversation to say, but where do you think Lebone Seema is lacking that may have led to Hugo Broos not including him in the Bafana Bafana squad? You know what is fun about this recent Bafana Bafana squad? I looked at the defense. When you talk about the Betway Premiership, Orlando Pirates has conceded the fewest goals than everyone in the league, about 9 goals. The Orlando Pirates defense, they've got 15 clean sheets. Out of all those matches, the goalkeeper, it was Sipho Chain. And Sipho Chain is not in the recent Bafana Bafana squad. Okay? Of course, for reasons that Hugo Broos has spoken about, because you and I we can even say that the reason that Sipho Chain is not included in the recent Bafana Bafana squad, it's got nothing to do with his performances. Because he's the best goalkeeper, he's the reigning goalkeeper of the season, and currently is far above every goalkeeper in the PSL this season. In 22 matches, he's already kept 15 clean sheets. So we know that the reason he's not in the Bafana Bafana squad has nothing to do with his performances for Orlando Pirates. But it's about whatever may have happened during the AFCON, the disciplinary issues and all of that Hugo Broos spoke about. Okay, we leave the issue of Sipho Chain. Others have said, the reason that Sipho Chain has kept 50 clean sheets is because of the strong defense and all of that. So who's playing that strong defense? If there's one player that's been consistent in that strong defense since the departure of Mbekezeli Mbokazi, because Sibisi is now playing because Mbokazi has left. So the player that's been a constant in that defense, it is Lebone Seema. So the question will be, if it is the defense that is marshaled by Lebone Seema that has made Sipho Chain so good, according to whatever these people are saying, then the question will be then, why is Lebone Seema not in the Bafana team then? You see? So I'm thinking that I think the reason Lebone Seema is not in the Bafana team is because of Ime Ocon, who's currently playing in the second division in the Bundesliga in Germany, the Bundesliga 2. Because Lebone Seema is not necessarily, look at the profiles between Lebone Seema and Ime Ocon. Ime Ocon is your traditional defender. He's tall, he's physically strong, tackles, so it's about, but he's not comfortable on the ball. But he's the typical defender that, remember the likes of Aaron Mokoena, still remember Aaron Mokoena, who captained Bafana Bafana. So he's in that mold. So Hugo Broos, we know him, he rather prefers those type of players. Look at Siyabonga Ngezana. We know that Siyabonga Ngezana is not comfortable playing the ball and all of that. But because of the physicality and the height, it is the reason that he gets selected. So I think when you look at the fact that Lebone Seema is right-footed, Ime Ocon is right-footed, so he's competing directly with Ime Ocon. And Ime Ocon is the typical defender that Hugo Broos loves. And the fact that he's already playing in Europe, albeit being playing in the second division. So Lebone Seema is your talented defender that wants to play the ball. He's not the type of a defender that will kick the ball over. He plays from the back. Remember Mthobi Mvala and others. Those are the defenders Hugo Broos rather prefers. But when you look at someone like Lebone Seema, someone who wants to play the ball, wants to build from the back and all of that. And that is not Hugo Broos's game model. That's the reason he's not selecting him. That's what I'm thinking. What are your views? What do you make of this decision? Thank you guys for tuning in. My name is Davis Kosana. The name of the platform is Mzansi Total Football. Thank you very much.